So the entire cricketing world is tumbling down on Barbados Trident's captain, Kieran Pollard. Some are call him punk, some are call him unsportsmanlike, some are call him coward, some are call him some other things where we can't mention on air. All because Pollard bowled a no ball to end the game with St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots batsman Evan Lewis left stranded 3 runs short of scoring the second fastest century in T20 history. Pollard decides to say, oh, no record against my captaincy and my bowling, deliberately overstepping, and to make sure it was also a no ball on height, conceding the 1 run needed for victory to leave Lewis on 97 not out. Now, first thing, I think Pollard overstepped deliberately. But so what? He was well within the rules. This is like a forward in football, breaking away at goal, and a defender step cross and fouling, or a fast break in basketball, and the defender commits a hard foul to stop the dunk. That's why we have referees and umpires to make these calls. Nothing that Pollard did was any worse than a batsman stepping out of his stance just before a bowler delivers, or a captain changing his field after every delivery to waste time to the benefit of his team and to the detriment of the opposing team. It is called gamesmanship allowed by the rules. People must stop confusing their disappointment and emotionalism with what is legal and above board. We might all feel that Lewis deserved the century, but as a bowler on the opposing team, in that moment, I am not a cheerleader. I am a competitor and an opponent. Me not allowing no batsman to score no record century against my team, against my bowling, and raise him bat and beat him chest. No, sir. Before somebody give him a thing name, down the leg side. 4 boys, match done. The night Joe the ball slip him myself.